Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here we are going to discuss it is the introduction to oxyacids of nitrogen. Basically, the word oxyacids of the nitrogen is simple means that when we have the nitrogen and the oxygen and the product they are forming, it is called as basically the acid. So, this is called as oxyacids of the nitrogen. And on a whole, the two oxyacids of the nitrogen are present. The first one is the nitrous acid. Its formula is HNO2, in which one nitrogen along with two oxygen is present and making up the acid, which is called as the nitrous acid. The second acid is it is the nitric acid. The one nitrogen is having bond with three oxygen and one nitrogen is present. Its formula is HNO3. Likewise, here in this nitric acid, you can see that these signs are the danger, it is flammable, are forming, it is explosive in nature. So that's why when this nitric acid is present is in its concentrated form, it is harmful, or we can say that we must handle it with care because it is corrosive or it is in a flammable, highly flammable, we can say. So let's start with the first oxyacid of the nitrogen, which is the nitrous acid. This simple formula for the nitrous acid we have HNO2. How do we can prepare this nitrous acid? We can prepare it by the simple method by dissolving the dinitrogen trioxide. This is the dinitrogen trioxide. When it do reacts with the water molecule, and the temperature over there we have to keep it as 0 degrees Celsius, then the product we gain it is the nitric acid in its aqueous form. This is its first method. Then we have the second method for the preparation. It is by the use of the barium nitrate. It is the barium nitrite. When we take its aqueous solution along with the sulfuric acid also in aqueous form, we gain the two products, barium sulfate and the nitrous acid. So this nitrous acid is the main product of our chemical process. This is simple two methods of the preparation of the nitrous acid. After this we have some properties. The first one property, it is its formula, which is HNO2. Its IUPAC ID name is nitrous acid. The molar mass of this acid is 47.013 gram per mole. Its conjugate base is nitrite, and other anionic name is called as nitric acid, its other anion. On the other hand, this is its simple structure formula. We can also draw it over there. One nitrogen having bond with the hydrogen and the two oxygen atoms are present like this. This is the nitrous acid structure. The bond length between nitrogen and oxygen weight is having on one side double and the other side single. It is 110.7 degree, and between the hydrogen and nitrogen 102.1, and these are in the picometer their bond lengths. So this is the simple properties of the nitrous acid. After this we have its chemical properties or the reactions of the nitrous acid. Nitrous acid can undergo the process of decomposition. It can react with many organic acids. That nitrous acid can also react with the other substances, like a lot of reactions can be happen. It can react with the alkalis and etc. So let's have a look on these all reactions. The first one is its decomposition. So the decomposition reaction is basically it started when even it is at room temperature, it started to decompose and changes into the nitric acid. This is the nitric acid along with the production of the nitric oxide, nitrogen oxide and the water molecule. So it just started to decompose at ordinary temperature, means it is not a stable compound itself. The second reaction is it acts as an oxidizing agent. when it is going to act an oxidizing agent, and it can easily oxidize a lot of compounds. Like here we have hydrogen iodide in aqueous form. When nitric acid do react with this, it produces water, nitrogen oxide, and iodine. On the other hand, when the nitrous oxide or the nitrous acid decomposes into the water, nitrogen oxide, and the oxygen, which is called as the nascent oxygen, or it is also called as the atomic oxygen, which is very reactive. On the other hand, it can also oxidize or used in the production of this sulfur dioxide of the water, and nascent oxygen will reacts and produces a sulfuric acid. Along with it can also be oxidized the SnCl2 by reacting with HCl and HNO2 and produces SnCl4 plus nitrogen oxide and plus water molecule. So it can act as an oxidizing agent because it can oxidize the other substances by giving them oxygen. After this, we have its reaction with the alkalis. Alkalis are basically bases. Here we have the sodium hydroxide. When it got react with the nitrous acid, it produces sodium nitrate and the water molecule. This is its simple reaction with the alkalis that it gain by producing the different types of the salts. At the end, it can react with the organic compounds like the organic acids. Like here we have the urea, which is containing carbon, so it is called as the organic compound. When it got reacts with this, it produces nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and the water molecule. On the other hand, it can also react with the benzene, which can be also drawn as the structure hexagonal benzene, and on the top it is having the group NH2. This is the benzene. When it got reacts with the nitrous acid, it produces the phenol. Now the structure of the phenol over there we have its benzene ring, and it produces hydroxyl group along with the production of nitrogen and the water molecule. So this was a simple overview about the properties of nitrous acid detail. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss in detail, it is the nitric acid, which is a second oxy acid of the nitrogen HNO3. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.